Today we're at Jim Scott Community Center where we're hosting an event for our teens in Fairfax County where the teens come together to engage in youth dialogue as well as partake in community service project to commemorate MLK Day of Service. Today's event recognizes the National Day of Racial Healing and the county's commitment to promote racial healing and transforming communities throughout Fairfax County. The goal for today is for teens to learn listening skills, social learning skills, as well as having the opportunity to network with each other with other teens across Fairfax County. And then after that, they will participate in a community service project. They will be assembling 1,000 emergency preparedness kits to go out to the community.
There was a lot of people with different opinions and different backgrounds, and I feel like I gained a lot of value from learning from them and attentively listen to what they have to say.
And I appreciate the fact that so many teens have come out on a Saturday to not only participate in this and learn and grow, but also be able to take the skills and apply it to their home life, at school, the recreational activities or leisure opportunities. This is the first year that NCS is sponsoring this along with our partner Northern Virginia Community College, and we anticipate that this will continue next year. For more information, check out our website at fairfaxcounty.gov/NCS.